Howdy guys and gals, and welcome back to Moto Josh In. So I just wanted to do a short vlog to say I'm alive. Obviously if you follow me on social media you'll probably see that I am actually alive. I'm actually just suffering, so let's get into it. So what am I suffering from? Well, what I can tell you is it's not a lack of well, I suppose it is a lack of motivation, but it's not a lack of motivation because of a lack of content. I've actually filmed loads of content. I actually have too much content. That's actually part of the problem, is I just don't have time to edit the content. There's too much content. Yeah, I've videoed loads, I've still got loads of things, I've still got a show, I've still got bits and pieces. I'll tell you what the problem is. It's this delicious weather we're having. It's true. There's too much sun going on, and when it's all sunny and it's all hot and all delicious out, do you think I want to be faffing around indoors editing videos? And the answer is no, I don't. That's exactly what winter was invented for. So, with that said, I'm not going to do it. I have pulled rank, that's right. As the master of this channel, I have pulled rank and concluded that until it rains, or I actually am in on a weekend, which hasn't happened yet, due to delicious, motorbiking weather, then I'm not doing it. Not editing it. Video editing takes a long time, and I hate petrol stations. Yeah, like I was saying. Just too much content, and the weather's just too good. So I refuse until it starts raining and making me be in on the weekend. I'm just not doing it. Yes, my content will be old. Yes, it will probably not be as relevant. But yes, you'll know that I'm a happy human because of it. That's it really. I want to make content, kinda. I do, but not as much as I want to get out on the bike. And in life, priorities have to be made. So I know it's tough, it's hard. So you're gonna have to forgive me and just accept and know that when you look at the window and it's a nice day, it's just another day I ain't dead. I'm out here to live life and enjoy it, and I'm very lucky that I get to go out on my bike whenever I damn well feel like it, within financial constraints, which will soon be over, and